Mm, Good afternoon, everybody. As for the demand, how to use Google Classroom by students. First of all, you need to click on Google Classroom icon. Then, in the Google Classroom, you will get an option of plus sign. You need to touch. There are two options: join class, create class. You are a student, so you need to click on join class. Now, whatever the code you have received from your concerned subject teacher, you need to enter the code here, then paste, then click on join button. So it is taking some time. As I already mentioned in the previous video, the net speed is a bit slow. Okay, so right now I am in the classroom of my subject teacher, and right now I can see the comments, or you can say the messages passed by my subject teacher to me. So right now I can see it is posted at 7:23 a.m. by my subject teacher. Then another, so there are various options like stream, classwork, and people. Okay, so right now I am in the class of my concerned teacher, so I can see stream, classwork, and people. If I click over people, then I can see my classmates. So many classmates are there, including me. Now I can see on the top the teacher name, and there is a icon of envelope. If I click over envelope, I'll get two options: Gmail, email. Both are similar. Means if I would like to send a personal email to my concerned teacher, I can use Gmail or email, and after that I can do whatever I can do with email account. So right now it is not required. So come back to classwork. Now in classwork I can see two assignments are there. First is already over, due today, due 19th April. Okay, so the new assignment is function different ways of declaration. If I click over here, so functions different way of declaration and types of argument. Now there is a video that is shared by my concerned teacher. If I click, then I can view the video wherever it is present on YouTube or in personal account. So again, right now it is not required. Now you can see there is a add class comment. Here I can put a comment to my class, so that will be visible to all my classmates. So right now it is also not required, so I will not put any comment over here. Now if I choose the assignment that is assigned by the concerned teacher, for example, what is function. Now first of all I would like to tell you about the comment section. The first is add comment and the second is add private comment. If I use the first is add class comment, then it will be visible to all the student of my class. But if I use the second one, that is in the below section add private comment, so here what I can do, I can write the private comment that will be visible to my concerned teacher only. if I have done my work in the worksheet, in the paper, or in any document format, or in any format, there is option of attachment. So if I click over here, then in the same way whatever the teacher can do, I can use the drive, link, file, photograph, video recording, document, and after that I can send the same file to my concerned teacher after doing my assignment. For example, I have written in the paper and I need to take the photograph and I need to send the same. So for example, if I take the photograph, so I took the photograph. Now if I click over OK, then it will take time to attach the document. Okay, so right now you can see the attachment is here, that is photograph, and after that I need to click over hand in, so my work will be sent to my concerned teacher, and I can put a comment also here. So right now it is not required, so I am cancelling it. Now come to the first one, stream, add class comment. Add class comment means I can write the comment that will be visible to my teacher also, to my classmate also. So these many tasks or these many things we can do with the classroom as a student.